It is an Audi such as the world has never seen before. With the e-Tron GT, the brand is demonstrating its plans for shaping an emotive and fascinating future of mobility. Pre-sales of 2 models of the Gran Turismo with fully electric drive will start simultaneously in February 2021, the e-Tron GT Quattro and the RS e-Tron GT. Both models are powerful, fast, and dynamic, and both have 0 local emissions. The sum of these qualities adds up to a strong character that reinterprets the idea of the Gran Turismo. The exterior of the Audi e-Tron GT is a dynamic work of art. Each surface and each line is harmonious, from the headlights, which are available with Audi laser light upon request, to the large diffuser at the rear. In combination, the details create a sculpture that looks like it was shaped by the wind. The body line is extremely aerodynamic, and the drag coefficient is just 0.24. The interior also corresponds to that of a classic Gran Turismo. The driver and front passenger seats are installed in a sporty low position and separated by a wide center console, and the rear seats provide sufficient space even for adults. The progressive elegance of the interior design emphasizes the car's character. A Gran Turismo is a sporty touring car with excellent dynamic handling, a confident glider. The Audi e-Tron GT shares this character. Depending on the model, its electric motors output 350 kilowatts, 476 PS, or 440 kilowatts, 598 PS, thereby allowing dynamic spurts. The range of up to 487 kilometers, 302.6 miles, in accordance with the WLTP, which is made possible by the battery and its net capacity of 85 kilowatt-hour, is equally important. Its 800-volt technology enables fast DC charging with an output of up to 270 kilowatts. The suspension is also based in the balance of dynamism and comfort, thanks to technologies such as Audi Drive Select, all-wheel steering, controlled damping, 3-chamber air suspension, electric all-wheel drive, and the rear axle differential lock. The wheel sizes range up to 21 inches, and the brake discs, which are available in carbon fiber ceramic as an option, have a diameter of up to 420 mm, 16.5 in.